You probably think this video will give you one specific style or one exact outfit you should wear on a date. No, it couldn't be further from the truth actually. In this video, I'm giving you different options for different kind of dates based on where you're going, so we can match your outfit to the situation. And yeah, what you wear is not that important, you know. Like your charisma matters, how you talk matters, your vibe matters, but your outfit still matters because it subconsciously tells the girl a lot about you. And let's start with the most common date spot I can think of, which is a coffee shop. And when I think coffee shop, I think wood, maybe some books, like chill music, warm, cozy, that soft vibe. So the colors I would pick here would be like white, beige, sand, cream, soft brown, anything in that lane. Now you could do a clean white t-shirt plus shorts and it will work. But it's a little bit boring, I would say, because it's the kind of outfit like every other guy would wear, like nothing special about it, right? So I would add texture to it, something needed, maybe even something that has stripes or a subtle pattern so it feels more interesting. So for example, a knitted polo that is buttonless, and if you want an easy upgrade, go white with brown stripes because it matches this cozy vibe, it looks intentional and makes you stand out in a quiet way. If you want something a bit more formal, go linen shirt and white shorts. And here you can go knitted shorts or shorts with a subtle stripe. Same calm colors, same cozy vibe. And if you really want to wear a t-shirt, throw a layer on top of it. Like a light overshirt, a knitted shirt, something open. It instantly makes the outfit more interesting to the eye. Next super common day spot that I can think of is like beer, cocktails, maybe a bar, something like that. And the vibe there is different. It's usually dim, maybe some colorful lights, it's evening. So here you can lean towards darker colors like black, charcoal, deep navy, dark brown. But it's not like you have to abandon light colors completely. Nothing like that. I would also go a bit more relaxed, like bad boy if I had to call it something. If it's warm, I would think a white tank top maybe, and a white shirt over it, white shorts, and add one good necklace. Simple, clean, it pulls the whole look together. And of course you can do the same linen shirt and shorts fit here too. And you know, because it's evening, it's drinks, you can unbutton one more button than usually, sometimes even two. Not in a vulgar way, just enough to show a little chest and add frame to the necklace. It looks confident, it looks relaxed, and if you want to go darker, go for example for a leather jacket, dark blue jeans, then either a black t-shirt or a tank top instead. Whatever you prefer. Third, I guess, pretty common place for a date is a walk. Either a city walk or a park walk. And for this one, you can add a bit more color because it's spring and sometimes it already feels like summer. So I would think something like light blue, soft green, white, beige, brown. Any kind of polo color works amazing for this. Like for example, this light blue polo, it looks fresh, it fits the season and makes you look put together without looking overdressed. And if it's warm, you can also go sleeveless, but not like typical gym tank top, just a clean sleeveless tee. Then throw a light layer over it, like an overshirt, a thin knitted shirt, something open. And the thing here is that with a layer on, you look totally normal, like you're just wearing a regular tee. But when you take the layer off, especially if you trade, it looks insanely sexy because your arms and shoulders pop. It feels effortless. And notice, this is basically what women do. They are wearing something that shows more skin, then they cover it with a layer on top. So when they want to look normal, they keep the layer on, but when they want to look sexy, more feminine, they just take the layer off. And that's something that you can steal because it just works. And you can do the same exact thing to look more manly and more masculine. Vlog's over, sorry, but you can still watch more. Maybe you could watch this one, or maybe you could watch this one. This one is actually pretty good. You should watch this one. Well, actually, you know what? This one's pretty great too. You should definitely watch this one. You know what? Actually, this one is pretty good too. Maybe try watching both at the same time. Maybe try clicking like both.